The body of Tom OSINDE, a former Treasury official, has been discovered in River KUJA, MIGORI County, 2 weeks after he was reported missing. OSINDE went missing on June 18 while traveling from his home in Nakuru to Borabu, Kisii, according to his family. 2 of his employees from his Nata residence in Nakuru had been detained by the police, as they are suspected of being involved in his abduction. One of the detained individuals worked as OSINDE's driver. The driver was seen driving OSINDE's vehicle in his hometown in Nyamira and to the location where it was eventually found abandoned and damaged on the roadside in Kilgoris. A day after OSINDE was reported missing, the suspect took the car to a local car wash and instructed the attendants to only clean the exterior, claiming that the interior was not dirty. The villagers and neighbors were shocked and puzzled by the driver's unusual behavior of spending the night in the village with OSINDE's car. Subsequently, he drove the vehicle to Kilgoris and left it there. The suspect informed the police that OSINDE had instructed him to deliver money to a woman at a petrol station in Kericho town, a claim that has been determined to be false. Abduction is one of the possible motives being investigated by the police. The suspects are being held in custody as the investigation into the abduction continues, with the court granting the police 21 days to detain them. During their search for OSINDE, the police thoroughly examined his farm, checking for any freshly dug areas that might indicate a burial site. They also inspected septic tanks. Additionally, the police interviewed the family members and confiscated 5 mobile phones, particularly those belonging to the workers in Nakuru. According to the police, OSINDE's black V8 vehicle was discovered abandoned and vandalized in Sakawa, Kilgoris, Narok County, a considerable distance from both his Nakuru and Kisii residences. The car was missing its number plates, battery, and radio. Tom OSINDE was the brother of Ken OSINDE, who previously served as Chief of Staff in President Ruto's office when Ruto was the Deputy President. Ken also held the position of Kenyan Ambassador to Germany from 2010 to 2014. Tom OSINDE had studied economics at the University of Nairobi and had worked for the Treasury Department for several years, where he gained recognition for his financial management expertise. He retired from the Treasury in 2010 to establish his own business. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.